So today I'm going to show you some simple command lines on troubleshooting your internet connections. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Start, and we're going to type in right here in Search, CMD, as in Charlie Michael David, and then press Enter. It brings up a nice command line window. The first command we're going to use to see if we have any connectivity to the internet is a command called ping. That's P-I-N-G. And what ping does is it sends out essentially a ping, just like a submarine would, to see if there's anything out there. So I need to tell it, though, where to look. So I'm going to pick an address at random. In this case, I'm going to go to www.google.com and press Enter. Now what the computer is doing is it's sending a tiny bit of information to Google and asking for a request. As you can see here, I have 4 replies back from Google, and this is the IP address of Google. So this is very good. I obviously have connectivity to the internet if Google can talk back to me. So if this fails, then you don't have connectivity to the internet. Now there could be many reasons why you don't. First one could be that you don't have a proper IP address. So what we're going to type in is ipconfig, which stands for Internet Config or IP configuration. And as you can see here, it gave me some basic data here. My IPv4 address, which is 192.168.1.6, my subnet mask, and my default gateway. My default gateway is the path that my computer uses to get out to the internet. So this would be a router or a modem. These are very common numbers. If you see different numbers or numbers that don't start with 192.168, you might have a problem with your IP address. If that's the case, you'll need to call somebody to figure out what your IP address scheme should be. Now, if I need even more data, and this is a bit more advanced, I can type in ipconfig/all. And as you can see, it's giving me a whole bunch of data, including my computer's name, the manufacturer and model type of my wireless adapter. Again, here is my IP address, my subnet mask, when my leases were obtained, very advanced stuff, and also my DNS servers. Now, this might be something that you'd be interested in. This DNS server here of 8888 is actually a DNS server provided by Google. Now, what a DNS does is it acts like a phone book to the internet. So when I type in google.com, it gives me an IP address, and I can then go to that website. So if you have problems and these are not here, that might be part of your issue. Now, one thing that can happen is your DNS list can be corrupted. In other words, it doesn't know the IP address to websites anymore. So the best way to do that is to flush it and get rid of the whole list so it can start to build again. That command is ipconfig /flush FLUSH DNS, and then I'm just going to hit enter. You can see that immediately a little message has come up that says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. This means that all the notes to how my computer got to the internet have been deleted and will now look to repopulate that list or get new information from your DNS server. I hope this helps, and stay tuned for more.